the site and helping us understand what is the atmosphere on the ground. Now, viewers, moving on to another breaking news. The Supreme Court has rejected a plea to halt the Andhra Pradesh government's administrative inquiry into adulterated prasadam. Now, the court here clarified that the SIT-led investigation and the administrative probe can run concurrently since their scopes are different and do not overlap. The top court, in fact, was hearing the plea challenging the Andhra Pradesh government's decision to appoint a one-member committee to review the special investigation team report on Tirumala Laddu controversy. Now, the plea here argued that the state government's move undermines the authority of the SIT, which was constituted earlier by the Supreme Court itself to probe the irregularities surrounding the famed Tirumala Laddus distributed by Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. All right, my colleague Aishwarya now joins me on this. Aishwarya, do tell us what the top court has said regarding the SIT. It has halted the plea by the Andhra Pradesh government.
The plea was filed by Subramanian Swamy, where he alleged that the one-man committee, which is appointed by the AP government to probe into this systemic lapses, that is administrative lapses in the ghee adulteration case, this will overlap with the already ongoing criminal proceedings formed by the Supreme Court SIT into this ghee adulteration case. But however, the Supreme Court has said that these particular SIT has already filed its charge sheet as well as its supplementary charge sheet, and this particular one-man committee, which is formed by the AP government, is based upon the SIT report and recommendation submitted to the government, and the role of this one-man committee is clearly demarcated, and it is only probing into the administrative lapses, and in fact is based on the SIT report submitted to the government, and that is why there's no question of overlapping. Overlapping will come into play in this entire field, is what Supreme Court led by Chief Justice Suryakant clearly said, while the counsel for representing Subramanian Swamy had clearly expressed his worry, saying that there will be an overlap between this already ongoing criminal proceedings led by the SIT as well as one-man committee. However, Supreme Court clearly stated that there's no need of worry here, as the roles of these two particular SIT and the one-man committee are clearly demarcated, and they're only doing their particular job that they have been assigned to, and to submit a report and to look into the administrative lapses in this ghee adulteration case, which is also clearly important because to rectify the entire ghee adulteration case, to look into the administrative lapses is also important, and to pinpoint where did it go wrong in the systemic lapses is also important, and that is why the one-man committee is also equally important, is what the court observed. And apart from that, the Supreme Court, apart from that, the one-man committee was recently formed by the AP government after the SIT filed a charge sheet stating that the ghee was adulterated, and almost 9 TTD employees were also involved in this particular case, with whose help this entire adulteration scam was taken out during the YSRCP regime. So based on this particular report, Chandrababu Naidu government had formed a one-man committee led by one-man committee to probe into this particular recommendations that were given by the SIT to the government, and they will be probing into these administrative lapses into TTD, and they will submit a report to the AP government within a stipulated time, so that this particular scam will not happen again, is what the TDP government is aiming here.
Right. Aishwarya, do we also have any reaction from the Andhra Pradesh government regarding this order by the top court?
While the Andhra Pradesh government, the council reacted saying that the Subramanian Swamy petition is something that is not very viable here, because his concern here is something that is not required, because while on one side the one-man committee is actually solving the problem, but on the other hand, Subramanian Swamy is raising concerns where it is not required, is what the AP Council, which argued in front of the Supreme Court, had spoken, saying that this particular concern from Subramanian Swamy is completely not required, and that is why is and that is the reason this particular petition was also dismissed by the Supreme Court, is what the AP Council has also said.
All right, Aishwarya, thank you for joining us and giving us those details on this big development coming into the Prasadam controversy. And now, viewers, moving on.